We got roof access in this motherfucker. Oh, y'all boys dangerous.
They asked me where the roof is.
Y'all boys dangerous,
there
bro.
You go.
God damn.
You
It's
can
a
get
wrap.
both roofs too.
It's a wrap.
It's been like an hour and a half now.
I'm going now.
Yeah. You're gonna be late to work, dude. Fuck that. You're getting fired today. You gotta... Fuck that job, dog.
11:18. Watch the sides of the roof, guys.
Yeah, shit might just collapse right then, huh?
Split last week. You guys are out, I'm sure.
Bless up, brother.
Yes, sir. Always.
Yeah.
It would be pretty funny to launch the 50 off the roof.
That's what I told him. I had a scooter. We could just throw it off the roof.
Yeah, hey, y'all want to run that next?
Take a break. Take a break. Do a little donny right here, man. Stop playing. Yes, sir.
That's where I bought a tire. That's where I bought a 2-pack. Hey, they're about to come home. I don't think so, bro. He's in park here. Yo, slow walk that shit, Sam. Slow walk it. I said slow walk it, motherfucker. What you doing? Slow walk that shit. Put your leg down.
To the middle center.
Put your leg down.
I've got space.
Put your leg down. Yes, sir. We back at it. That's nasty, bro. Niggas done broke out of prison. They gave us a scooter. Who gave us a scooter in jail? How you get a scooter in jail? It's 7 a.m. Nigga, how did you get that? Get it, get it. Chow time! Yes, sir! Still got it. Let's go, let's go.